If Monday had a face, I would punch it. Now, when I look at this beautiful topic by Raghu who has posted it, why there is only one holiday, which is Sunday, as per my information which I read, that during long time ages ago, I think it was George Westinghouse of Westinghouse Corporation who proposed this idea of having leaves so that employees can rejuvenate. In fact, Ford also did the same thing. They ensured that the laborers, the employees who work for, get adequate time for rest. They could get time for rejuvenation, and in that process, since people have to rejuvenate, they would need to go out of the town. So in that process they would also need vehicles. So yes, Ford can also make a lot of money as well, which is no doubt I mean, it's a win-win situation for both. So I recollect those information which I read long time back. But honestly, if you ask me this one question, why there is only one holiday which is Sunday, there's a deeper level which is attached to it. In fact, let's face it, it's always consistency which helps. And even sometimes I wonder, even Sunday shouldn't be a holiday in the first place. I'm talking from a lot more personal angle, not from a professional point of view. Yes, from a professional angle, we do require uh, some time off. We do require to rejuvenate. In fact, they say taking a break leads to breakthrough. And yes, we do require Sundays to rejuvenate. But on a personal note, how often our mothers take leave? How often our parents, our father, strive continuously so that they could get the best of everything? They could give us the best irrespective of the situation. Whether it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, you name it, they are there for us. Our parents have never asked for a holiday because they have know that this parent duty continues even till the time they die. For them, Sunday doesn't even exist in the first place. So yes, on a professional note, Sunday is required for us to rejuvenate. After all, they say taking a break leads to breakthrough. And yes, on a personal note, you can never take holiday. You can never take holiday from your personal commitment. And I've realized I've taken a lot of break in this table topic attempt. So now I'm back because my contest is around the corner and I have to prepare. No Sundays, continuous preparation. That's it.